How can we use some Sooner magic?
Take some red and white with some Air Force blue. And when you take all three of these colors, produce a united Sooner spirit.
I wonder what's faster, this F-16 or Jonathan Nelson?
Jonathan Nelson.
Definitely Jonathan Nelson.
Marco Murray or an F-16? Of course Murray! Does any of y'all know what a Sooner is?
It's I don't know.
Even though Oklahoma and Air Force have their differences on the football field, we're all united as Americans. What do you do to protect Sooner Nation?
I'm in Air Force ROTC.
Who are you rooting for today?
My heart belongs to the Sooners.
Flying over a big game like this, what's that feel like?
You get the hair on the back of your neck, start standing up a little bit.
We're so proud of them, and they're doing well, we're doing well, but